Guys, I'm about to reveal to you a controversial breakthrough, which pays us $25 to $50 every 5 minutes for copying and pasting. Blogging plus Pinterest equals cash. I repeat again, blogging plus Pinterest equals cash. Totally simple. And let me show you how Storm can achieve this for you like no other app will ever do for you in 3 very simple to follow steps. Step 1. Build a profitable blog in less than a minute. Guys, would you like to know how you create a blog without all the headache? Well, this is how. Click on the Blog Builder tab and your hot topic into this label and click on Build Blog. And that's it, guys. What Storm is doing is creating a 100% clean, ready to plug and play and ads-free WordPress installation built in with a professional WordPress theme special for profitable blogging, which you would need to pay for by getting access to it anywhere else online. You don't have to worry for domain registration. You don't have to worry for hosting. You don't have to spend hours figuring out what theme and plugins to use. All is done here for you in just a click. Great. Let's log in. And there you have it. A 100% clean, ready to plug and play and ads-free WordPress installation built in with a professional WordPress theme special for profitable blogging, which you would need to pay for by getting access to it anywhere else online. And to make your life a lot easier, we have crafted a profitable template you can use as well to save you a lot of the headache of building a really professional-looking profitable blog in just a click as well. Step 2. Build an engaging pin in just a few clicks. Here inside Storm, we have created a pin engine where you will find everything you need to build a highly engaging and profitable pin to be able to post it to your personal or business Pinterest account without leaving the app. Here you just need to search for trending and profitable pin ideas by keyword, and you will be able to preview and sort them by most saved and most repins, and add them for inspiration to create your own engaging and profitable pins. And here in the image builder, you'll have everything you need to create your pin. Here you can preview your hot pins for inspiration. Here you can add images to your pin. Here you can add text. You can also use drawing, filtering, shapes, and stickers. And once you are done with your design, you simply click on Create Post. Step 3. Post your engaging and profitable pin. Finally, here's where you finish up your campaign. Here you simply tell everyone what your pin is about. Add your title, add a destination link. Here you will preview the image you just created or upload another one if you prefer. Here you decide when to post. As well as if you would like to repost this and how often. And here you can decide in which Pinterest accounts you would like to post, as well as on which boards. And finally, you will finish up your campaign. Guys, this is extremely simple, but really powerful. We made it to be so simple to you, but powerful for marketing. And besides this, we will even train you in every step of the process on how to profit with this from start to finish with a complete over-the-shoulder video training you won't find anywhere else online. So, see you guys inside the training.